welcome to Letscookolet. Today Letscookolet going to add one new item on the brunch menu. Yes, it's a Coddled Sausage Parmesan. And it happened today, it's a Father's Day, so I have my best friend with me here. And he's my best friend, he's a father, he's a grandfather. I want to wish him a happy Father's Day. And I want to wish every fathers out there a happy Father's Day. Now let's start here. What I'm using here, I'm using a maple chipotle sausage, and we're gonna slice it in half, and I'm gonna use the grilling pan. Make sure your grilling pan, I'm using the grilling pan, you can use the frying pan if you want, on the medium high.
What do you call this sausage?
This is a maple chipotle Canadian style sausage.
Looks very nice.
Here we go, third one. And this one, put it on the side. Here you go. It's been about 4 minutes. Nice, that's what we're looking for. Voila. Nice. About 3-4 minutes on the other side and should be good to go. And I forgot to mention the difference between why I said coddled eggs. It's the eggs is coddled. There's similar to the poached eggs. Poached eggs, you put you boil the water, you crack all the eggs in the water. That's a poached eggs. Coddled is individual compartment, and you put the eggs and you steam it, you boil it, but has to be in an individual compartment. Thank you, Mr. Wonderful. I'll have the tray. Beautiful. Here we go. Now we're gonna place the sausage on the tomato sauce. You can buy the tomato sauce ready, you can use it, or if you're looking for a good homemade recipe, I have one of my episodes, spaghetti tomato sauce, how to make it. It's a good, yummy, homemade spaghetti tomato sauce. Lovely, right, Jiddu?
Lovely, beautiful, really beautiful.
Nice, here we go.
Nice.
So now what we're gonna do here, we're gonna add a little bit more sauce on the top of the sausage. Voila. Put it on the side. Now for the cheese here, I'm using mozzarella cheese and Gouda cheese. So I'm using the Gouda cheese first. Putting it here. The Gouda cheese, it's a smoke flavor, and smoked cheese and maple chipotle sausage is gonna be a yummy combination. Now I'm gonna add the mozzarella cheese. Voila. And make sure your oven on the broil, because what we're doing here, we're just gonna melt the cheese and color it, and about like maybe another 4 minutes and should be good to go. Now in the meantime, we're waiting for the sausage parmesan. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put the spinach. So the spinach take the flavor from the sausage here, and we're just gonna cook it for probably like 40 seconds, and the flavor from the oil and the remaining down here from the sausage, it will be like a beautiful flavor. Turn off, and let's transfer the spinach into a bowl. Now we're gonna work on the coddled eggs, which is, this is the pan for the coddled eggs. You can see here water. It's about like 1 inch water in the bottom. And what I need here, just turn the heat to max first, to high. And when the water starts boiling, you bring it down to simmer, and we'll crack the eggs and give it a little quick cooking spray. Fourth one. As you can see here, the edges start getting cooked and the middle still soft, and that's what they call it, coddled egg. Mr. Wonderful, how's your sausage parmesan doing?
Let me check. Oh, look, very nice.
Nice. Look at this parmesan. It's a nice, good to go. Now let's put it on the plate. What I'm gonna do first, put the spinach in the middle. Why I'm putting so much spinach? Are you that special?
Yeah, of course.
Oh,
Father's Day.
Oh yeah, that's
I'm
right.
a
It's a
special
Father's
visitor.
Day. I have the sausage. Lovely. Lovely. Look at this. Goes on the top of the spinach. And for the eggs, just have it a little bit around, release from the compartment. And on the top, yum.
Oh, it looked good, man. It looked very good.
Now do the other one beside it. Beautiful. Here we go. Nice. Gonna put a little saffron on top for a garnish. And let's see how it is. Lovely. That's what we're looking for. Beautiful. And who's the first to try it out? Mr. Wonderful. Here you go, Mr. Wonderful. How is it?
We're a good brunch idea.
Beautiful. If he said so, that means it's a good brunch item going to be, and you're gonna be the first to try it out. It's the coddled sausage breakfast. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe. We can make great meal like this. Thank you for watching.
Thank
and
you.
we'll see you next time. Take care.